she had clothes. And if not, you wrap her up in a towel and you drive her home.
I should just pick him up and put him in it.
Go try.
Look, quick.
Grant, go try.
Oh, shoot.
What, throw him on my shoulder and put him in it?
Go try.
I'm gonna get just what as he
No,
is.
you
Go try.
soft.
Jared's in there with her.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna see.
They're a good place.
Yeah, I mean this.
He's got it right by the crotch.
You have to come through.
Look at her.